Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today we're walking you through the 6 must-have features of a robotic pool cleaner. If you spend any time on our website or YouTube channel, you'll see there are a lot of robotic pool cleaners out there, and they all have different features. So, how do you sift through the features that really matter and the ones that are unnecessary bells and whistles? We've narrowed it down to the top 6 features you will absolutely want on your robotic pool cleaner. Number 6, an anti-tangle swivel. If you're new to pool ownership, you're going to have to trust us on this one. When a pool cleaner moves around the entire length, width, and depth of the pool, that includes a lot of twists and turns that would naturally build up tension in a lengthy power cord. After a while, that tension turns into tangles and kinks that shorten the cleaner's range of mobility, and it'll leave you untangling the cord day after day. But an anti-tangle swivel lets the cable swivel as needed, even spinning a full 360 degrees over and over. Without this handy little device, keeping a 60-foot cable untangled will be a daily chore you can't ignore. Number 5, tracks, not wheels. A lot of budget pool cleaners have wheels. They're often flimsy plastic like what you'd find on a toy car. Now, imagine those plastic wheels trying to climb up a wet tile or maintain traction on a slippery surface. It'll skid like crazy because water between plastic wheels and a pool surface make it impossible to gain traction. Instead, look for a robotic pool cleaner designed with tracks that have grips. These can maintain constant contact on pool surface, even while climbing a slippery tile line. Plus, greater traction leads to greater efficiency. Instead of wheels spinning in place, a cleaner with tracks can use the same time to actively clean without draining power. Number 4, commercial grade motors. Traditional automatic pool cleaners use AC motors, but premium robotic pool cleaners use energy-efficient DC motors. They consume an impressive 87% less energy, but they don't skimp on the power. Models with 2 or more DC motors on board outperform machines with just 1 motor. The Dolphin Premier has 2 large motors for excellent wall climbing ability. This allows the robot to clean both above and below the waterline. The Dolphin Sigma has 3 motors. That's an insane amount of power that was formerly only available on commercial pool robots. These motors are 20% larger than budget model motors, and they move 20% more water for much higher suction power. Plus, commercial grade motors increase climbing power, which is the key to effective cleaning coverage around the waterline. Number 3, multimedia filtration. Many robotic pool cleaners have one kind of filter media, but that one and done filtration doesn't work for every kind of debris. That's why you'll want a robotic pool cleaner with multimedia filtration. With multiple media types to choose from, pool owners don't have to compromise when cleaning their pool. Where a standard cartridge might leave behind the debris, a microfilter can capture the tiniest particles, even down to 2 microns. And a pool that's littered with leaves will fill up a standard cartridge in minutes. But an oversized leaf bag can gather large debris for hours without needing to be emptied. When it comes to multimedia filtration, the Dolphin Premier leads the pack with 4 filtration media options. Number 2, gyroscopic technology. This is a relatively new feature for robotic pool cleaners, but it's a game changer. Gyroscopes are essential for aircraft, ships, even the Mars rover. In a robotic pool cleaner, a gyroscope provides constant and precise information to the cleaner's microprocessor. Sensors control position, orientation, direction, and rotation. Automated cleaners without this technology are notorious for wandering aimlessly, missing obvious spots or lingering too long in others. But a robotic pool cleaner with a gyroscope on board will have way more effective cleaning coverage and wall climbing ability. Formerly only available on commercial robots priced at over $2,000. We're now seeing gyroscopes on the highest end residential robots. The Dolphin Sigma leads the pack when it comes to gyroscopic mobility. Number 1, waterline scrubbing. There's a reason the waterline is called the scum line. That's where all the gross debris likes to build up in a pool. If this area is neglected, bacteria and algae will take over in a hurry. That's where automated waterline cleaning comes in. If your robotic pool cleaner can consistently reach and scrub the waterline, it'll take some of the hardest work out of manually cleaning your pool. You won't find this feature on budget cleaners, and even some higher-end online models are missing this feature. We recommend doing your research and don't settle for robots that don't clean the complete wall and water line. Because if you're left to scrub the dirtiest part of your pool by hand, what's the point of even having a robotic pool cleaner? When all of these features work together, you've got a robotic pool cleaner that functions at the highest, most technologically advanced level possible. Models like the Dolphin Sigma and Dolphin Premier are among the few who have the latest technology, and their performance is unbeatable. You'll find many models that have a few of these features, but not all of them. Whatever you do, don't be enticed by budget models that delete key features that just reach a price point for the internet. Between trustworthy brands like Dolphin and Aquabot, you can find robotic pool cleaners with a range of prices and features to fit your needs. Once you invest in the cleaner that's right for you, you'll wonder how you went so long without it. Read real reviews and learn more about the top robotic pool cleaners on the market today at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.